Hey guys, so today I have here a lot of dermarollers. I do investigations with the dermarollers that are very popular right now and is good for anti-aging. And here I have two different dermarollers, same size. And guys, I'm gonna show you on the microscope how very similar looking dermarollers can actually be very different and can actually damage your skin or make your skin better. Okay guys, let's move all those dermarollers. Here's my microscope. Here is a sheet of paper that what I'm going to do basically, I'm going to use this same size. If you see 0.5, 0.5 different dermaroller, kind of looks the same. You guys know Ginamber Beauty has real individual needles inside. This is already, you can see from this side, they have metal wheels, which is not real needles. So how I'm doing actually, I am going to roll over here on sheet of paper 0.5 just one time with mild pressure, not much, like this. And I'm going to mark that this is fake roller. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this sheet, turn on microscope, I'm gonna turn on light, the top. I'm going to place this under the microscope. Of course, you guys, I have to do this because you don't see on the camera with regular eye. Over here. You see, guys? On the microscope, over here. This size of a hole, it's made by fake dermaroller. Let me take a picture and I can put this after on the screen. So here guys, I took a couple of pictures. The quality is not the best, but I don't want to invest in a really expensive microscope. This was $350 anyway, it's very expensive. So as you see, the shape of the hole by fake roller, it's not round and it's kind of big for this size. And here, as you see, this is what is on the paper. It will be on the skin the same. It's like kind of bent. You know, when you roll, it's kind of a little bit slightly over here. This part is like mini bridge. It's not healthy this for the skin, guys. I'm gonna do now the same with Ginamber Beauty dermaroller. So here you guys see, this is fake. This is going to be real needle. Same pressure, same size, and I'm rolling over here. As you see, the sound. So I'm really pressing. And now I'm gonna insert that under this microscope. See right away, guys. No lies, no jokes, nothing. Found it. You see how little this is? And it's also no bridge. That means skin around, it wasn't damaged like it was that one. So, smaller hole, round hole. No any bridges around, skin is not damaged. When I show you like this, guys, of course you can't see the difference, but over here real one and the fake one, guys, facts don't lie. You have to make sure that you're buying real needle dermaroller. It's not easy to recognize, that's why I'm selling only real individual needles. But the simplest way to recognize dermaroller that is with the real needles is like this. You can see, actually, you see dermaroller that has inside the real individual needles. And also one tip, no one 540 needle dermaroller has real needles. Those one you see, like this is Ginamber Beauty with the real individual needles inside, and that one from the side actually you can see metal fake wheels. I can show you what is actually inside of those wheels. I have many rollers that I took apart, so this is how the fake dermaroller is made of. You're basically rolling this on your skin, and when you see by the base, this needle is becoming not needle, is widening. So this part is actually damaging our skin. Guys, I hope I helped with this video somebody. If you have any questions, leave me down below. I'm gonna link down below Ginamber Beauty dermaroller link where you can purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you and see you in my next video. Bye.